Hey guys, John from Neighbors Yard Sales, and today I just want to talk a little bit about some of the hats I pick up at the thrift stores. And as you can see, I have some cleansers that I use for hats because I run into a lot of them. And some are made for, these cleansers are made for light color hats and dark. So I get one of each. And I have these brushes that I use. Even these are made for, this is for dark hats, and this one for light hats. And some of these hats you're gonna see are, worth cleaning. Some of them are a little bit rough, and I probably will pass on selling them. Some of them, the people gave them to me because they know I sell hats, so. But like something like this, I'll pass on selling this. This is a little bit too much work. Decent on the inside, but on the outside, it looks like the color's gone. And I tried the dark cleaner on that one, and it didn't do much. As you can see in the back, I have some feathers that I bought. These are they're assortment of feathers. Some are 4-inch, some are the shorter 3-inch. And what I do is, if I get a hat like something like this one here, I look at the condition of it, I clean it up, and if I think I can put a feather in it and sell it, I got them for that reason. But this one, when I saw it in the store, is nice and clean on the inside. So I'll do a cleaning on it, and I'll put a feather in it and put it up on eBay. And then I came across this one. This is all leather. It's an unusual hat. It's got a little insignia on the front. And as you know, you're going to see these in the stores, in the thrift stores, cowboy hats. I come across a lot of cowboy hats. Straw ones, it depends. If they're decent and they're not all busted up, like this one has a crease in it. So that one, I don't know if I'm going to do anything with that one. But some of the other ones I come across, like this one here, this one's pretty dusty, so it's going to get a cleaning. And I'll use the dark hat cleaner for that one. And if you get that kit, it comes with a couple of these sponges. You can get the dark and the light cleaner. And you can pick up the brushes. If you're going to get these hats like I do, you come across them, you might as well clean them up before you put them on eBay. Because the better they look, the easier they are to sell, But here's some of the feathers I picked up. I got an assortment. And like I say, it helps out. I mean, I've done this for a while now, and I've been on eBay for 20 years. And I sold quite a few of these hats. Different sizes naturally do better. I find that the larger size hats do better. So I look for those when I'm in the thrift stores. All right, guys, that was just a little quick rundown on what I do with these hats and some of the cleaners I use. So if you want to check out some of my stuff, go to eBay, Neighbors Yard Sales on eBay. I've been on eBay for 20 years, so check it out if you get a chance. Thanks. Till next time. See ya.